Hey guys, what's going on? This is Queasy, and this is my 675. Got a whole bunch of stuff done to this bike. I posted a few pictures back. There's the old Jardine, ripped up Union jacks. Got some carbon fiber bits here. The Competition Works fender eliminator. Gillis rear sets. The GSGs. Still gotta get the front ones. The Pazzo levers, Rizoma grips, Rizoma ends, Hyper Pro dampener, Escort 8500, HIDs, and a few bits, pieces here and there. The whole point of this video, though, was to show you guys that I put an air horn on this bike, and it's pretty darn cool. Anyway, to the whole point. Oh, here it is down here. Here, let me get a light on. Ah, fuck, come on. There we go. You can kind of see up in there. There it is. Yeah. Not too bad. I gotta clean up these two wires. It comes in a kit. You put it up on a fuse relay. It's got 4 wires. Plug straight into your regular horn. Anyway, here you go. Here's what it sounds like. Anyway, guys, that's the air horn. Take it easy. This is Queasy. What's up?